Let's see how you do.
Oh.
So signal right, a little further away. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So that's an arm's length of space you got there.
Okay. And then...
Oh, my window. There's see a green button? Yeah, right there. That. There we go. Okay, so you got the right amount of space between the car.
Too far ahead.
Too far ahead. So what do you want to do? What do you want to line up?
Bumper.
Yeah, back bumpers, right? So what do you want to see through that small window back there then?
The light.
The light. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Now you're in position. It's perfect.
Okay.
And reverse.
I can never get it right.
Think about where you want your back end to go. Yeah, that's right. And it's only one spin instead of all the way. It's just one spin for the parallel parking. Yeah, you got it there. And reapply your right signal because it did go off. There we go. It's loud, eh? And then what do you want to see here?
The brake light?
Yeah, the brake light. Okay.
Okay, I see it.
You got it. Now what?
And then would I straighten the wheel?
Yes. And then now it's just like don't worry about the signal anymore when it goes off, you just leave it off. Now it's just like you're backing out of a space from between two cars. You just got to clear the bumper before you turn. Which way are you going to turn?
This way?
So
No, this way?
Yeah, that's right. And you're keeping the car in motion nicely. There you go. Quickly, all the way to the left. And keep going until you're parallel. There. You're nice and straight. He's crooked.
Oh, okay.
You're not crooked. Okay, and then you throw it in park, engage your parking brake, that completes the maneuver, and we'll take off. Good. You remember to turn your wheels back all the way to the left before leaving. Then we're going to turn right here at the stop sign.